Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we are going to discuss expression designing using replace function. Let's get started. Navigate to the Setup Column Attributes section, where you will find a list of available columns. To create an expression using functions, click on the Add or Edit Expression button. This will open the script editor, where you can write your expression using predefined functions. Always begin your script with the keyword #@lscript. To add a new expression, click on the Add button, indicated by a plus sign. You will need to define the expression name and choose its type, which can either be text or numeric, depending on the nature of your expression. Once the expression is created, double-click on it to insert it into the script editor. Now, let's define a simple expression using replace function, which is used to modify text values by replacing specific characters or strings within a field. To use the replace function, start by typing the keyword replace followed by an opening bracket. Then enter the field name, add a comma, and within double quotes, specify the text you want to replace, comma, enter the replacement text in double quotes, and close the bracket. For example, replace brackets open item code, comma, double quotes ARR, comma, double quotes COD and brackets close. After writing the expression, save it. Scroll down to check the box next to the newly created expression. You will now see the expression column added to the grid. Let's review the result. Scan the item using item code in which ARR is present. Since we used the item code field in our expression, the column now displays the updated text, with the specified value replaced according to the parameters we defined. Wherever ARR was present in item code, it has been replaced with COD. In a similar way, we can also add expressions in reports. First, navigate to the reporting section and open the sales register detailed report. Just like we did earlier in the documents section, go to Setup Column Attributes to proceed with adding the expression. Before proceeding, we need to make a small change in the configuration. Go to Other Settings, and here, set the script editor to VBScript for better performance. By default, whenever you create a new configuration, the script window is set to VBScript. However, if it is not set by default, you can manually go to Other Settings and change it to VBScript. Refresh the report. Once you have saved the configuration, return to the Setup Column Attributes section and click on Add or Edit Expression columns to proceed. Make sure to begin the script with the required keyword at the top, #lscript. This should always be included at the beginning of the script. To define a new expression, simply click on the Add New Expression button. Enter the expression name and select the type, either text or numeric, depending on the nature of the expression. After that, double-click on the newly created expression to insert it into the script editor. Now, define the expression using the replace function, which will modify text values by replacing specific characters or strings within a field. To apply the function, type replace followed by an opening bracket. Then enter the field name, add a comma, and within double quotes, specify the text you want to replace, comma, enter the replacement text in double quotes, and close the bracket. For example, replace brackets open item code, comma, double quotes Q56, comma, double quotes LS and brackets close. Save the expression once it's defined. Next, scroll down and check the box to enable the column in the report. Finally, refresh the report. The replace function searches for the text Q56 in the item code and replaces it with ls. So wherever Q56 appears, it will be replaced by ls in the output. If Q56 is not found, the original item code will remain unchanged.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.